Sushi TV.
Sushi, oh I love sushi, 'cause sushi is ever so tasty. Sushi, I love making sushi. Sushi is so much fun. You gotta spread some white rice, spread some rice on seaweed, spread it evenly, spread some rice on seaweed, push it down gently with your fingers. Sushi is so much fun. You gotta lay down the raw fish, lay it on the white rice, lay it down evenly. Your sushi's looking very nice. Raw fish is tasty, yummy, yummy, yummy. Sushi is so much fun. You gotta roll it tightly, roll it with your bamboo mat, roll it, roll it, roll it gently, just like that. It's looking great now, that's the way to do it. Sushi is so much fun. You gotta cut it, cut it, cut it into pieces, cut it carefully with a pair of scissors, lay the pieces on a plate. Sushi is so much fun. You gotta dip it, dip it, dip it in the soy sauce. I love soy sauce, it's really, really tasty. Dip it in the soy sauce with your chopsticks. Sushi is so much fun. You gotta eat it, yummy, yummy, yummy. I love sushi and so does my mommy. We love eating sushi together. Sushi is so much fun.